So this video will show you how to reprogram or program your steering wheel control buttons. So press on settings, swipe it left, that bottom bar. Now select steering wheel control button icon. So whichever function you are going to program first, so like I have to program volume up, so I'll press volume up and you'll see that voltage got changed from 113 from 225. So I'll select volume up here and then press yes. Then again press another button to program, so volume down, and we'll see voltage value got changed from 113 to 170. I'll select volume down and press OK. Now I'll program mode button, click on mode, and the voltage value got changed 87. So I'll select mode here and press yes. Same, now next button, and voltage value got changed to 43. Select one and similar, previous and previous from here. Yes, all done. Go back. Now check your buttons. So volume down is working, volume up working, mode is working, next is working. We under a car park, so that's why not really good reception here, but all the buttons are working fine.